In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your very own streaming platform just like Netflix in 2026. And there's going to be a link down below to see the whole guide so you can follow along. This is going to be broken up into two main sections. Number one, I'm going to show you the two best options, the platforms, and the key features that you can be using when you're getting started. So let's just look at them. The two platforms that I would be using would be Teuto and Lovable. Now, what is Teuto? What is Lovable? Teuto is a platform where you can build your streaming empire. You can create your own website, your mobile and TV application right out the box. Bottom line, if you're a beginner and you are non-technical and you just want to focus on your business, this is what you can be doing with Teuto. You can load in all of your different videos. You can have a nice platform to get started right out the box. And there are tons of features that we'll talk about in a little bit. Now, what is Lovable? Lovable is a platform where you can go from text to application in a few minutes. So if you're familiar with ChatGPT, where you're texting and you're getting answers, this is what you can do. But instead of just getting answers, you can get applications. This is brand new. In the last year, this has really taken off and really transformed what is possible in creating your own custom application. And so this is another option for you. Now, again, which one would you choose? Depends on your level of expertise and how you want to get started. There's going to be a link down below for each one to get started. But Teuto allows you to get started right out the box, and you can have a website and everything there for you. Now, what are the benefits of going this route? Well, when you're looking at Teuto, again, you don't have to reinvent the wheel, so to speak. You can have a good-looking website in a basic format of your application right out the box. But you're going to have limited customization. But if you want different features, you're going to be limited with this option. But you can be building a very scalable business using Teuto. Now, there is something else you can do with Teuto as well, where you can use all of the technology in the back-end system and then put it into another technology so you can change the front end. So bottom line, you can change the look and feel of it. And we'll talk about that in just a moment. In the comment section down below, let me know if you're technical, if you want to do more customization, have your own app, have it on Roku, let me know. But if you're just getting started, you're testing out your idea, I would go with Teuto. And especially with their pay-as-you-go, you can start for $0 and then scale up based on what you're trying to do. There's going to be a link to try it out for free. Let me know which one you want to choose. Now, let's talk about Lovable and why I like this. Lovable is a platform where we build out all different types of applications for ourselves and for our clients. And we actually use all of the back end of what Teuto has. So there's something called an API, just where two systems talk to each other. We built out our own platform right here. And so we're using Lovable, but we're using all the technology in the back end to change the exact format that we want, because we wanted it to be exactly like Netflix. We wanted different features. So we're having the best of both worlds. Let me know if you're interested in that. And right here, we were chatting with it, how we wanted to create our site and our application, and that's what we're able to do. And again, if you want this exact prompt or you want access to this, we actually have a product. You can download all the scripts and how to use it and everything. Now, also too, if you're saying, well, Lovable, I don't even know how to use that, there's a link down below to teach you how to use this in less than 15 minutes. But remember, if you want more customization, if you're more comfortable with technology, that is the option for you. Okay, so we went through the two different options here. But let's talk about the features you need. Now, why are we bringing this up? Depending on your idea, your platform, what you want, there are 6 main features that you need to consider. And that is going to allow you to decide what platform and what do you need to actually get for your business. So let's go step by step with them. Number 1, pay per view video. So bottom line, if you're trying to charge for one video at a time, you can do this with Teuto. So say, for instance, it's similar to like if you're thinking about Amazon Prime or even like Blockbuster, where you're charging per video or per movie. You could charge how many times you're watching, or you just charge them for that one video. You can do that with Teuto. In the comment section, let me know if that's what you're looking for. Now, you can do that with Lovable as well, but you're going to also need to add a payment processor and configure it depending on how you're going to be charging for your content. Next up, we're going to be looking at subscriptions. So say, for instance, similar to like Netflix or Hulu, you're just paying one price every month and you get access to the whole library. You can be doing that with Teuto and with Lovable as well. If we look at the features here, we can start looking at monetization, and this will break down the different things that you can be doing, how you can get monetized right here. And so we can see here subscription, one-time sales. You can do all of those different things right out the box here, as well as have premium and free trials, coupons and promotions, upsells, cross-sells, all of these things. And that's why I really like Teuto. In the market right now in 2026, that's just the standard. You should be going with this. It has the best pricing, and so it's a no-brainer. And again, you can do that with Lovable. You're just going to have to, again, explain and program it to be able to do the different types that you want. Next up, we look at ads. For this one, there are two different options that I go with. Again, Teuto, if we look under the monetization, you can be doing different advertising on this. Again, they'll talk about the exact technology, how you can do this. You can insert the different ads. This is important if you have a large, let's say for instance, a large subscription base. You're having different tiers, maybe like a free tier, then a paid tier. You could be having ads. I would really focus on what type of business you want, what your numbers are, before just thinking like, oh, if I throw ads on, I'm just going to be making so much money. Really depends on your following, what they're doing, all of those things to keep in mind. The other one, and this is a bonus one that we wanted to throw in, if you're trying to do something with ads and you're trying to have different channels and you're mimicking something like TV, there is an option with VLoud. They've been around for years. They're not my preferred platform, but if you're focused on ads and you're, say for instance, trying to think about almost trying to create a cable network of different creators and everything like that, VLoud is an honorable mention if you're going to go that path. But again, for scalability and everything, I'm still going to go with Teuto or Lovable. All right, next up, live streaming. You can be doing this a couple different ways, but the easiest way for live streaming is, again, Teuto. You can also live stream, but also have people interact. Again, I just think that this is probably one of the easiest choices to make if we're trying to get all of these features right outside the box. We talked about, I have ads twice. Hold on. Let's change that. Let's change it. Mobile apps. Let's go to number 5, and that is mobile apps. Now, Teuto also has an option for you to have mobile and TV apps if you want to, and we have another video down below that shows what the app looks like. We've shown this off in previous videos, but bottom line, you can have it already on the App Store. If you have an Android or a Apple device, you can have that, but also you can have it on Apple TV, Roku, etc. That's an option. It's going to be an additional amount of money to be able to do that, to post it on these applications or these sites for people to download these applications. But if I was going to do it and cut out the headache, I would just pay it from Teuto. There are ways of you doing it yourself, but if you are non-technical, this will be a pain in the neck. This takes a lot of work. You have to go back and forth. You have to have a lot of patience to do this, and it takes about close to 4 weeks to get it all the way through, versus if you're using Teuto, this is what they do for brands. It's a great investment. That's what I do. Talk to the team if you're ready for this. But I will say, before you even go the route of mobile apps, I would first have it as a web application. People can just go to the website. They could pin the application on their phone, all of those things, because that's easier. Number 2, you make all of your money, versus if you're going to be on the App Store, they take a percentage of every transaction. That's why Netflix and other platforms constantly try to get you to buy and purchase on the website versus paying on the app, because they want to keep more revenue. You want to do the same thing, especially if you're starting out. Direct people to buy your subscription on your website and not going through the App Store. That's what I would suggest. Everyone's a little bit different, but I'm trying to increase the most amount of revenue I have. I do not want to go mobile in the App Store first. In the comment section down below, let me know which feature you're looking for. And number 6, if we're looking for Roku or OTT over the top, this is just going to be going direct to consumer, and you can be doing that again with Teuto, and you can be doing this as well potentially with Lovable. But again, out of these 6 different features, let me know in the comment section, what's your top pick? What are you trying to do first? And it's really important as you look at these features, you should be focused on one clear feature that you should have in your application first for your streaming platform, and then adding on. If you try to do all 6 of these things, you're going to be overwhelmed, you're not going to do them well, and there's going to be too many things to juggle as you're trying to be launching. You need to focus on one thing. Will you be doing a pay-per-view or a pay-per-download model? Are you going to go with subscription, ads, live streaming? What are you going to do? In general, what I would probably suggest is going subscription, because it is very easy. People are used to the model. With Netflix, they understand it. If you're working with individual creators, or there's a reason why they should be paying for one movie or one video at a time, then we could look at that. But simply put, subscription allows you to have predictability, and it allows you to see how you're scaling and what your churn rate is, how many people are losing or how many people are leaving your platform monthly at a very easy way to manage. Now, I also mentioned a lot of things have changed in our past videos. We've been doing this video series for almost 6 years. We started this in 2020. We update this every single year. A lot has changed, but 2026 is so unique because these platforms, these vibe coding platforms, are allowing you to do things that would traditionally have you paying $75,000 or more for creating the same type of applications. And I know this because we have paid it, or our clients have paid it, and it is a nightmare. Now, using the power of Lovable and other vibe coding platforms, this is allowing you to create your MVP, your minimal viable products, and scale reliably using these platforms. And again, this is why we're always talking about Lovable in these vibe coding platforms. This is why we're having things like these prompts that we're selling, so you can create your own platform in mere minutes. And if you want to have the exact template that I used right here to create this platform, there is a link down below for the exact template, the prompt, and the videos, how you can get started right now, less than $25. In the comment section down below, let me know what you're creating, and if you want us to do more videos about this to show you step-by-step how we would do this if we're starting our own streaming network or platform in 2026. If you like these videos, make sure that you like and subscribe. We do this every single week, and I'll see you in the next video. Should we add anything?